Hey, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Yeah. Today's tip is 4 questions that you need to be asking yourself in order to have even more confidence in the close. So think about this. You're about to go in to close a deal. Ask yourself these 4 questions, and the answers better be yes. Okay, here you go. You ready for the 4? Here we are. Are we on the right product? Are you the right company? Are you the best person for the job? And last but not least, do you deserve this deal and the commission? If the answer is no to any of those questions, then you better get your head on right before you go in there and try and close that deal. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, email david@grantcardone.com or call 310-777-035 or visit cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching, and be great, because nothing else pays.